Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by and I hope you are all doing great. Today I'm so elated to share with you my recipe for making waakye stew. I mean proper waakye stew. This recipe is so heavenly and I hope you like it. Come on into my kitchen and let's get started. So first of all, the meat is already washed and clean, so I'm drizzling some black pepper on it. And after that, I'm also going to put some garlic granules on it, some lamb seasoning on it, and then some all-purpose seasoning. Guys, you can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? So when this is done, we will mix it together properly and coat the meat so well that every part of it will have some of the seasoning so that when it's cooked or when it's fried and then you take a bite of it, it will taste good in your mouth. So once that is all done, I'm going to cover it up tightly and then put it aside in the fridge for it to marinate. We are going ahead to also season our fish. Again, I'm using some maggi tablet, some fish seasoning. Okay, so you can use any seasoning of your choice. Once this is done, I'm adding some flour. This is optional. Once it's done, I'm going to also cover it tightly and place that aside. So we are also going to season our cow foot. In my local dialect, it's called kotuje. It's already washed and cleaned. So we are going to add some ginger and garlic paste, add some maggi tablet, and then add some all-purpose seasoning. Also add some salt to taste and add some water to start steaming it on the cooker top. So it's going straight on the cooker top, and then we go ahead and make preparation for the vegetables. So once it's on the cooker steaming, let's start to blend our vegetables. That's our shallot and our spring onion. We are also going to add our dried aromatics. We have the star anise seed, the cloves, the anise seeds, and then black peppercorn. We're going to blend all of these ingredients together with our bell peppers, the red and the yellow, the scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic, and then ginger. As usual, they are so basic in making our meals. So we add some water for easy blending. There we go. Yeah, our aromatics are blending nicely. When that is done, you also put that aside and then you focus on making our stew, our delicious, flavorful, super tasty waakye stew. Yes, so our saucepan is already heated and now I'm adding some vegetable oil. I'm also adding my shallots since it's time to put that in the oil. It's sizzling nicely and I love the smell already. I'm giving it a good stir and so far I love it. time to also put in all our aromatic ingredients. So once that is getting itself ready and is cooking, guys, let's blend our fresh tomatoes and our carrots. I'm just giving it a twist, okay? So that's why I've added some carrots. It's optional, but guys, you will love it when you try this recipe. The carrot brings a different taste to the stew. So if you are new on this channel, have you subscribed already? What are you waiting for? Click on the red subscribe button. Also click on the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families. I will really appreciate that. Okay, so when we are done blending the tomatoes and the carrots, you go straight ahead and pour that also in the saucepan to join its brothers and sisters. Oh wow, I love that. So you give it a good stir, and so far the aroma is amazing. All these ingredients put together brings heaven down. The house is so in a good magical mood. I love that. And our shaki or tripe and our cow foot is also ready. So as you can see, I've removed them from the saucepan and I'm putting that aside. We are going to pour the stock in our stew. Guys, magic is happening. There is this beautiful fusion going on here right now. And each ingredient in there is trying to overpower each other. So it's all about competition. So we are now adding our tomato puree to thicken up the stew and also to enrich the stew, as well as bringing its flavor and taste to the stew. Again, we're going to give it a good stir and mix it well together. When that is done, then we cover it up and leave it to simmer. We are going to leave the stew on the cooker top until we see that the water is dried out or almost dried out. This will help to brown the stew a little bit. And that's how we make proper waakye stew. So once that we are trying to achieve that, we'll go ahead and fry our fish and our meat. It's two ways, guys. You can either fry the meat straight away like I'm doing, or you cook it first before you fry it. So the choice is up to you. Which way do you want it? Do you want it fried straight away, or you cook it first before you fry it? I love the color so far. It looks so good. It's appealing to the eyes. It's so crispy and it tastes good as well. So right now we are putting in some sardines in tomato sauce. We are also adding some maggi soy sauce, some maggi shrimp tablet. We are adding all our seasoning for the last time. So guys, use any seasoning of your choice. That's our bay leaves. And we are also going to add some dried smoked herrings and prawns or shrimp. First of all, you're going to grind them before we put the powder in the stew. But if you got yours in the powdered form already, then that's fine for you. You're just good to go. But if not, this is how you do it. You grind it and then you pour the powder in the stew. Guys, this is where I love it. it also brings some more flavor to the stew. This product takes the stew to the next level. Again, you're going to mix it well together. And whilst all this is going on, as you can see, my cooker is turned off because I don't want it to be splashing all over. So when I finish mixing it together, then I'll leave it to simmer again until I said the water is dried out. We are still not there yet. The water is still splashing. So it will take some time to get to that stage where all the water is dried out or is almost dried out. And at this stage, the water is almost dried out and I think it's fine. So we are adding our cow foot and our tripe. That's our Yamadia or Shaki and our Kutuji in my local dialect. The aroma perfect is checked, the taste checked, the flavor checked. So far, I love the salt content in the stew, so there is no point adding any more salt. But if you like, just add a little bit of salt to taste. This stew is perfect. Yes, guys, I'm adding my tasty meat. It's crispy, tasty, so flavorful, and I'm also adding my fish. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are inspired. Please try this recipe and bring me the feedback. As I always say, just don't watch it. Just don't watch this video, guys. Try it. Just try it and you will love it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and above all, subscribe to this channel if you are new, because on this channel we make appetizing recipes. You are going to love being part of this adorable and beautiful family. It's tasting time, and guys, since you cannot come to my house, I will do the justice for you. And I have 4 ways of making the waakye without using the waakye leaves. I've already shown you one on my channel, so I'll leave the link in the description box below. Definitely check it out and you'll love it. This is also another way of making waakye without using the waakye leaves. So guys, if you're interested, then subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload that video, you will see it. This method is so healthy. You will love it. So if you're interested, as I said, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload that video and also the rest of my videos. Okay, so I'll bring you 4 ways. As I said, I've shown you one video already. This is the second one, and I'll bring you 2 more. Thank you for watching, and see you all again in my next video. Voila, bon appetit. Come on, let's eat. Okay, I also made this tasty and delicious waakye shito. Okay, so check that video also up. I'll leave the link in the description box below, guys. I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye bye.